Drone Harmony's Point Cloud Planning. To start, upload your 3D point cloud data to the platform. This data gives a detailed 3D view of the area, mapping each building, structure, and obstacle with accuracy. Let's move on to mission planning. For the building, select waypoints to capture every side, adjusting to avoid obstacles and reach optimal angles. With this 3D view, you can easily spot key areas and set custom flight paths, maximizing data quality with minimal field time. When it comes to vertical structures, like transmission towers, Drone Harmony's interface lets you quickly design safe paths that wrap around the structure, ensuring thorough, obstacle-aware scans from every angle.